Welcome. In front of me is an OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and from here scroll all the way down to, I think it's going to be additional settings. Yep, there we go. And at the bottom you have backup and reset. Click on it and then choose reset phone and erase all data. This gives you a quick pop-up with a message. This will clear all data, erase data. So you want to click on the red text. Are you sure you want to continue? This will erase all data and cannot be undone. Erase data. And this will now, there we go, begin factory resetting your device. Now this process will take about a minute, 2 minutes max to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.